Hi everybody, Jason from Course Motorsports here. Today we're going to be doing an installation of a direct fit phone mount in this 1988 Volkswagen Scirocco. To do the job, you basically just need a Phillips head screwdriver. If you're doing this, you're probably familiar with these cars, and I'll be as thorough as I can with the fasteners that remain in this car. So basically what we're going to do is the phone mount is going to go above the center console, kind of in front of these vents here. And to get there, we need to start by pulling out all your knobs of your HVAC. They're just pressure fit in there. We're going to take the ashtray out. We're going to take the HVAC cover off and unplug it. And then there are two Phillips head screws that go up into the dash. And we're going to remove both of them and try not to drop them. Like so. Next, you're going to take your phone mount bracket, which looks like this. We're going to drop it in behind the center console, and it will sit like so. And then you're going to take your screws and go back through your holes in the center console and try to get them around the holes in the bracket. I think I've got one started, so we'll lift everything back up and start to thread back in and hope we catch the cage nut that's there in the dash. Same thing with this side. Like so. Then we will just do the opposite. We'll plug in our HVAC controller. Pop that back in place. Put your ashtray back in place. Put all your knobs back in. Next, you'll take your box containing your head option that you chose. Open it up. You're going to find a Course Motorsports sticker with a QR code that will take you to our website. An alcohol prep pad that you would use to clean the back of your phone or your case if you do not have a MagSafe Apple phone and you'll need to apply the sticky backed steel ring. MagSafe magnetic head, an Allen wrench, and an aluminum ball. You're going to take the Allen wrench and ball out. We'll thread the ball onto your direct fit bracket, and then we'll just put the Allen wrench on the end of it and give it a little snug so it stays nice and tight. Then we will take the MagSafe head out, take the locking collar off and drop it over the ball, pop the head on, and then snug down the locking collar. This is where you can then aim as you see fit before you fully tighten it. Last would be this is where you would put the steel ring on your phone. This happens to be an MagSafe Apple phone with a MagSafe case. So I simply stick it on there, and that's all there is to it.